This video will demonstrate how to change setups automatically with NCSimul, but also show how to save and export an intermediate stock, as well as copy a stock from one operation to the next. As you can see, this project has two different setups on the table for ops 1 and 2 on the same part. Entering setup 1 will reveal the original stock and the orientation of the comparison part in the first round of machining. Entering setup 2 will show the part flipped with any additional fixturing that is exchanged, and then will display the final machining orientation. The job tree on the left shows the program for op 1 with all of the tool sequences. This can be quickly simulated through to view the final result of the operation. At this point, the comparison between the cut stock and the program part model can be viewed to ensure machining accuracy. Green is within the tolerance, red areas are gouged, and blue is excess material, in this case, what we're going to remove in op 2. Additionally, there's a save or export stock function in the tree that will automatically output the stock at that point and any of the various file formats, in this case Parasolid, to be reused in an outside software or elsewhere in NCSimul. The next command is setup change, also found in the functions dropdown, that will replace setup 1 with setup 2 on the machine table automatically. Then, the copy stock function is added to carry the result of setup 1 in the current process through to use as the starting machining point in setup 2. Now, the second program is called, and the simulation will continue after the automatic swap of the features. At the conclusion of that simulation, while always checking for any collisions or gouging in the part, once again, the models can be compared, this time for each separate operation. Using this type of setup guarantees that you're cutting exactly the output of op 1 during op 2 and verifying that both operations are perfectly programmed, therefore eliminating the risk of moving backward and restarting any scrap parts.